The strongest angle for ENA is not another DeFi token. The interesting story is, what if crypto could create a dollar-like asset without simply putting dollars in a bank? That leads naturally into USDe, delta-neutral hedging, funding revenue, sUSDe, ENA governance and staking, and Ethena Network. Ethena describes USDe as a synthetic dollar rather than a fiat-backed stablecoin like USDC or USDT. Its design uses crypto collateral plus corresponding short futures positions to hedge price exposure. Imagine you own $100 worth of ETH and the price moves up or down. If ETH goes up, your $100 worth of ETH becomes more valuable. If ETH crashes, your backing loses value. Ethena can take the opposite position using derivatives to hedge that exposure. Essentially, the system is long the asset and short the exposure to aim for a delta-neutral position. If Ethena has $100 worth of ETH exposure, it can establish roughly $100 of short perpetual exposure. When ETH goes up, the spot asset gains and the short position loses. And when ETH goes down, the spot loses and the short gains. The two sides are designed to offset each other, which is what delta neutral means here. Instead of asking how Ethena makes a dollar, we can ask how Ethena makes money from the position. The short positions can potentially earn funding and basis spread as part of protocol revenue. Crypto derivatives markets have funding rates where traders on one side can pay the other, depending on leverage demand. If Ethena is on the side receiving funding, that funding becomes a potential source of protocol revenue. This is fundamentally different from earning interest at a bank because it monetizes the structure of derivatives markets. But this mechanism is not magic because funding rates are not guaranteed to stay positive. Ethena identifies funding risk as a major risk and maintains a reserve fund for periods when combined revenue is negative. So it is not simply deposit crypto and free money appears. The economics depend on market conditions. Now we finally get to the token.